Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to calculate the sum of factors. We'll break down this mathematical concept into simple, manageable steps. First, we'll define what factors are and how they relate to a number. Then, we'll explore the systematic process of identifying all factors. Finally, you'll learn an easy and efficient method to sum these factors, making complex calculations straightforward. This guide aims to simplify a core number theory concept for everyone. The first crucial step in finding the sum of factors is prime factorization. This involves expressing a number as a product of its prime numbers. For example, the number 12 can be written as 2 squared times 3 to the power of 1. Identifying these unique prime factors and their exponents, like 2 and 3, and their powers, 2 and 1, is essential. This breakdown forms the bedrock for applying the sum of factors formula effectively. Once you have the prime factorization, you can apply the sum of factors formula. For each prime factor p raised to the power a, the sum of its powers is calculated as p raised to the power of a plus 1, minus 1, all divided by p minus 1. You then multiply the results obtained from each unique prime factor's calculation. For instance, if a number has prime factors 2 and 3, you would calculate for 2, then for 3, and multiply those two outcomes together. Let's consider an example, the number 12. Its prime factorization is 2 squared times 3 to the power of 1. Using our formula, for 2 squared, we get 2 to the power of 3 minus 1, divided by 2 minus 1, which is 7. For 3 to the power of 1, we get 3 squared minus 1, divided by 3 minus 1, which is 4. Multiplying 7 by 4 gives 28, the sum of factors for 12. This straightforward method applies to any positive integer, proving highly useful in various mathematical contexts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.